Fresh green custard apples arrive at the modern dessert factory. Every dessert begins with carefully selected ripe fruit to ensure consistent sweetness, aroma, and quality. Automated cutting equipment carefully opens the green custard apples while preserving the soft fruit pulp for dessert production. The extraction system continuously separates the soft custard apple pulp from the green fruit peel, producing a smooth base for the dessert while maintaining high efficiency and hygiene. The pulp is silky and consistent, ready for the next stage. Excellent quality. This will make premium desserts. The custard apple pulp is blended with carefully measured dessert ingredients to create a rich, creamy, and consistent dessert mixture.
The smooth custard apple dessert mixture is gently pasteurized to ensure food safety while preserving its natural flavor and creamy texture.
After pasteurization, the custard apple dessert mixture is rapidly cooled to the ideal temperature before moving to the filling and packaging stages. Clean dessert cups are automatically positioned and sanitized before receiving the fresh custard apple dessert mixture. Sensors verify that every dessert cup contains the correct amount of custard apple dessert before moving to the sealing station. Each dessert cup is sealed with a protective food-grade lid to preserve freshness, flavor, and product safety. Every sealed dessert cup passes through an automated inspection system to ensure the lid is securely attached and leak-free. Production date, batch number, and expiration details are printed on every sealed custard apple dessert cup for complete product traceability. Automatic labeling machines apply attractive product labels while maintaining perfect alignment and presentation on every dessert cup. Every packaged custard apple dessert is visually inspected to confirm flawless packaging, cleanliness, and premium presentation before boxing. filled cartons are securely sealed to protect the dessert during transportation and storage while maintaining product quality. Sealed cartons are scanned to verify barcode accuracy and packaging integrity. Vision systems and digital screens track every step in real time. Only approved cartons continue, ensuring quality and safety. Every pallet of custard apple dessert cartons is securely wrapped to ensure stability and protection throughout transportation. The wrapped pallets are transferred into a temperature-controlled warehouse to preserve the freshness and creamy quality of the custard apple dessert.
Careful with that pallet, keep it level. Good, slide it in, watch the vapor. That's secured. Next one.
Fresh custard apples straight from the farm.
Let's get these into the cooler.
Neat rows keep them fresh.
All set for customers.
The journey concludes with the finished custard apple dessert representing every stage of careful processing, from fresh green custard apples to a premium ready-to-eat dessert enjoyed by customers around the world.